Is that the caviar?
The salmon eggs, yep.
Oh, nice. I heard that's really good.
What, eating?
Yeah.
I don't know. Never tried them, but we can.
Yeah, man. It looks yummy, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, we get stuff in the restaurant. We try it.
You've had caviar before, right?
Yeah, not this kind, though.
Well, it looks good. Nice and orange.
Should I?
Yeah, I think you should, man.
All right.
Yeah, it's just like caviar, right?
Okay.
It wasn't good? No, you didn't like it? Holy shit, dude.
Oh, no, that's not good. I don't recommend
No?
that. No, that's not, doesn't.
Alright, well, you guys have it. Caviar is not good.
My teeth.
Alright, guys, well, salmon caviar is not good.
Yeah. Don't try that shit. No, that's bad. Fuck, cut that shit.